A very good morning, all my dear students. I hope that you all are fit and fine at home. Okay, so starting today's class through this video. In this video, I'm going to start a new chapter, chapter second, Understanding Windows 10. In this chapter, we will learn about Windows 10 and its features, what is desktop, what is taskbar and icons, how to customize the desktop, what are some universal apps in Windows 10, and what are live tiles. Okay, how can we display multiple windows at the same time, and how can we explore pictures in Windows 10. Okay, so before talking about Windows 10, first of all, you need to understand what is Windows. Okay, so Windows is an operating system. Okay, I think that you all have heard about Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10. तो 7, 8, 10 change हो रहा है, but Windows is same. So Windows is something which is very important for the computer, which is an operating system. Without operating system, a computer system cannot work. Okay, so now the question is, what is an operating system? What is the use of operating system? If you will understand the use of operating system, then you will be able to understand the importance of Windows. Okay, so an operating system is a system software, okay, which is used to provide interface between the user and the hardware. User and the hardware means, user means me and you, the person who is using the computer, and hardware means any physical part of computer. See, जब भी आप कंप्यूटर यूज़ करते हो तो यू इंटरेक्ट विद कंप्यूटर थ्रू एनी हार्डवेयर. आप कीबोर्ड माउस करते हैं, कीबोर्ड यूज़ करते हो, माउस यूज़ करते हो, any device you used. Okay, so all these devices works with the support of an operating system. ये एक special kind का system software होता है, एक program होता है which supports all the hardware to coordinate with each other, ताकि वो एक दूसरे के instructions को समझ सकें. Okay, and to provide you an interface to interact with that hardware. Okay, it manages all the resources of computer, means computer में जितने भी connected devices हैं, all the input output system, all the services provided by computer, it is managed by operating system. Okay, apart from that, it also manages the information regarding to the creation of any file, when you have created particular file, when you have deleted. Okay, and what is the storage position of the file, what is the size of that file. So keeping record of all these informations about any file कुछ भी हो सकती है, it might be any document, any picture, any song, any movie, anything it can be. Okay, so I hope you have understood that what is an operating system and what is Windows. Okay, so initially the first operating system provided by Windows was Windows 95. Obviously, it was introduced in 1995. Okay, and as this technology get increased and comes in use, okay, so the research on this technology took place. At the time, it led to the development of many advanced edition of Windows, like after Windows 95, Windows 98, Windows 2000, Windows Vista, Windows NT, okay, Windows 2003, Windows XP, Windows 7, 8, and now 10. Okay, now Windows 11 has also been launched, but we are working on Windows 10 yet. Okay, so now we will discuss what are the features of Windows 10 which makes it different from other versions of Windows. So many features are listed here. You all will go through the contents of this chapter. I'm explaining you one by one. Like, it provide more interactive user interface, and it is more secure in comparison of previous versions of Windows. Okay, it provides the ability to redecorate your desktop. There are a option for changing the desktop background, themes, colors and icons. Okay, and one important point, it provides an enhanced searching tool which is called Cortana. It enable you to search anything, means either in your system or on web. You can directly type and search. Okay, you can play music, videos, anything. You can set alarms, reminders, anything you can do. One more important feature of this Windows 10 is the Windows Store. As you all have seen in the smartphones, the Play Store feature. Okay, what the Play Store provides, it provides you the way to search and download various apps. Okay, so from Windows Store you can also search and download any softwares, and it provides a bundle of updates including videos, music, movie, photos and calendars. Many more applications are there. Okay, apart from that, Windows 10 enable you to manage the desktop and Windows in a better way. How? What feature it provides? What are the advanced features? क्या ऐसी स्पेशल चीज़ है Windows 10 में डेस्कटॉप को डेकोरेट करने के लिए? See, you can create multiple desktop for different set of application using the task view button. Okay, there is a task view button. I am just zooming out this one. This is called the task view button. See, this one. As you will click on this button, it will show you a blank desktop where you can add any application according to your requirement. Okay, and it provides a feature to rearrange all the windows on which you are working. You can adjust multiple windows on a single screen. Okay, and one advanced feature is Windows Hello feature, which allow you to access your computer by showing your face, your fingerprints or iris. But this feature comes with some advanced editions of Windows 10. Okay, the edition that I am using or we are using, this feature is not here. Okay, so these all are some very important features of Windows 10 which makes it different. Okay, now let's come to the components of Windows 10. Windows 10 में क्या क्या है? तो as we open the computer system, so the first window that appears is the desktop. Desktop means as you turn on your computer system, so this kind of window appears, right? सभी ने देखा हुआ है. Okay, it is called the desktop. Okay, in general terms, what is the meaning of a desktop? Means the top of the desk. Okay, where you keep your, means your working table, where you keep your pen, pencil, books, each and everything on which you are worked on, you want to work on. Okay, आपकी pen, pencil, eraser जो भी आपको use करना है, books, notebooks, you keep on a desk. Okay, same way in this Windows 10, the desktop is also like your table where you can find each and everything, icons, objects, shortcut icons, document icons, each and everything whatever you want to use in computer you can access from this desktop. Okay, now let's discuss about the components of desktop one by one. As you all can see at these boxes, desktop and start button, opened application, taskbar, my computer icon, what all these are. One by one we will discuss about these. First let's talk about the taskbar. What is a taskbar? If you all have observed at the bottom of the desktop, ये जो black color की strip आपको दिख रही है इस picture में, normally it comes in blue color. Okay, so it is called the taskbar. Okay, whatever you whatever application you open on computer, the documents on which you works on. Okay, all the icons you can see in the minimized form in this taskbar. Okay, you can also pin some frequently used icons to this taskbar and you can directly access it from there. Okay, and this taskbar have some very important buttons, icons or areas like start button. Okay, like the task view मैंने आपको बताया अभी. Okay, and the notification area. What is the notification area? This side of window, here it is a notification area which gives you notification about particular action taken by computer, or if any kind of notification to make you alert from something, if there is any information regarding the virus detection or anything, so that notifies you. Okay, next topic is icons. What are icons? Icons are the small pictures that represent particular file, folder or any application. See, these all, this one, these all are icons. The small pictures which represent any application, file, folder are called icon. It's a graphical image. Okay, like some very important icons used are this PC. This PC, or earlier it was my computer. So it is very important icon. It gives you all the available contents stored in your computer. आपके सिस्टम में जितने भी कंटेंट्स स्टोर आपने किए हुए हैं, whatever you have stored, you can direct access from this PC. Okay, just do double click on this icon. It will open all the drives of your computer, and from there you can open any file, any folder you can open. Next, application icons. What are application icons? Application icons, it's different for different application. Like if you are working on MS Word, so this kind of icon will appear, and if you are working on PowerPoint, तो different kind of icon will appear. Application icon means जो किसी particular software के icons होते हैं. Okay, next is shortcut icon. Shortcut icons are icons to access any application directly from the desktop. Okay, you can directly jump from this shortcut to particular application. आप किसी फाइल पे जंप कर सकते हो, किसी फोल्डर पे भी जंप कर सकते हो by creating a shortcut of that particular file or folder. ठीक है, शॉर्टकट कैसे बनाते हैं, that I will explain you in the live class, or I will share the practical video. Okay, document icon. Document icon, whenever you create any application, okay, and the active document window of any application, it can be minimized. Okay, like if you all have observed here, there are many icons. These all are called document icons. Okay, जो task bar में minimize हो जाते हैं, and by clicking on this document icons you can restore. आप उसको maximize कर सकते हैं, restore कर सकते हैं वापस से. Okay, network icon, it allow you to access all the shared file and devices on different computers. अगर आप network में हैं then it is useful for you. Last is recycle bin. Recycle bin जो normal use होता है recycle bin का, in our real lives we throw trash and waste in the dustbin. Similarly, if you think this file is no more useful for you, then you can delete it. So whenever we delete anything from computer, so it did not delete permanently. Okay, it delete temporarily and system send it to recycle bin. Suppose by mistake if you have deleted any file, तो अगर वो permanently एक ही बार में delete हो जाएगा तो it become impossible to get it back. But from recycle bin you can restore your deleted file. अगर आपको realize होता है that you have deleted anything wrong, आपको वापस चाहिए, then from recycle bin you can restore it. वो अपनी original position पर आ जाता है. Okay, so that's all for today. In the next class or video we will start from the start menu. Okay, read about the topics whatever I have explained here. Okay, this PDF I will share in the group, so you can go through this PDF also. That's all for today. Take care of yourselves. Bye.